Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So in today's video we are going to talk about the layer edge updates regarding the connecting CLI based node. So if this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's go to the layer edge. So let's click on it. So here is the interface of layer edge. So as you can see, my CLI based node has been already start counting a point, which is like unfortunately like days ago the CLI based node was not really like really linkable. So if you wish to link it like at that time, so the CLI based node is not be like a chance to link it. So let's go and see like the main criteria that you need to like fulfill before you've been maybe eligible or before the airdrop has been ended, farming airdrop. So let's click on this section. So let's click on this three icon, which is we have to see the like have we fulfilled the criteria like before the farming has been ended. So we have to click on this section tax. So in enter tax, so when you see like you have at least 29,000 points, so that's mean the all necessary taxes you have accumulated better, you have accumulated in series. So let's scroll down so that we may see like what is not full to complete all the tax. So the first thing is to mint OG pass, and again mint OG flash, which is for free. So this one used to cost like $2. Let's make the site to be like a desktop view so that we can see like the exact all the taxes that have been needful like to be accumulated. So if your account is really low like this, so all this one have been like concluded successfully, so your account is fully healthy and fully eligible like for airdrop. So when I say like your account is fully eligible, so it doesn't mean that if you didn't like if you didn't like make the one requirement of this these taxes, it doesn't mean that you are not going to get in the airdrop. So this one completing all this the necessary, so it will like increase your airdrop when the checker is going to be live. So here it is. So I thought here is all what I want to share with you guys. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And again, don't forget to claim your daily point. Then the daily point definitely will increase your point.